In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a signature field to any form or document in just a few minutes. If you've been struggling to figure out how to do this, stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step and make it super simple. Plus, I've tested all the most popular software tools for this, and I'm going to recommend the best one, along with an exclusive free trial just for you. Keep watching till the end to see how you can follow along. First off, let's talk about what a signature field is and why it's important. A signature field allows someone to digitally sign a document, which makes it legally binding, just like signing with pen and paper, only faster, more secure, and more convenient. Now, to add a signature field, the first step is to choose the right software. There are plenty out there, but after testing many of them, I found a great tool for this task, and you'll find a link to a free trial in the description below. Here's how to do it. 1. Open your document. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, or even an online form, open it in the software. This software we're using supports all these formats, so no matter what type of document you have, you're covered. 2. Locate the signature tool. Most document editing tools have a specific feature for adding signature fields. In the software we're using, you'll find this option in the menu under something like Form Fields or Signatures. Click on it and a toolbar will pop up with different signature options. 3. Add the signature field. Now, select the signature option. You'll then be prompted to click or drag on the document where you want the signature field to appear. This is usually at the end of the document or wherever you want someone to sign. Just click and you'll see a signature box show up. 4. Customize the signature field. You can adjust the size of the signature box, add additional fields like dates or instructions for the person signing. This helps make your document more tailored to your needs. 5. Save the document. Once you've added the signature field, save your document. You can send it via email or share it with someone directly. They can then use the software to digitally sign it, and you'll receive the signed document back securely. And that's it. Adding a signature field to a document is that simple. You can now use this feature for contracts, agreements, or any document that requires a digital signature. Before I wrap up, remember that if you want to follow along with this process and use the software I'm recommending, you can grab an exclusive free trial from the link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway. Adding a signature field to any form or document is a quick and easy process with the right software. Once you've chosen the software and opened your document, it's as simple as clicking where you want the signature and saving the document. To quickly recap, 1. Open your document in the software. 2. Locate the signature tool. 3. Add the signature field where you want. 4. Customize it if needed. 5. Save and send. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below and start using it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.